Hey, it's Nicole Johnson, Co-Vision Real Estate Group, and this is another frequently asked question about mortgage notes, and this is, what do loan servicing companies do? So a loan servicing company is the middleman between the borrower and you as the owner of that mortgage note. So that borrower is going to mail their mortgage payment to the loan servicing company. Then that loan servicing company is going to do the correct documentation to record the payment that it was made, when it was made, to make sure that it was due on time so there aren't any extra fees, and adjust the amortization schedule to show that it's on track and that these payments are being made, um, and on schedule. So they're going to do that. And then they are going to also verify that they're current on their taxes, that they're current on their homeowner's insurance, so nothing has lapsed. And then also, if there are any problems with the borrower, they're the one to reach out on your behalf. They're the ones that do the reaching out. They are equivalent to a property management company in the rental world. They're the liaison between you and the borrower. And so what they're going to do, they're going to do all of the communication. And so with that, they typically charge anywhere from a $25 fee up to a $40 fee. Most of our servicers are between $25 and $30 a month to service the loan. And then what they do is they collect the payment, they do all the paperwork that necessary, all the recording that needs to happen in order to keep that loan on track. They take their $25 payment and then they mail you the rest of the money from the mortgage payment that's yours to collect. So that in a nutshell is what the servicing company does. And then again, if there's any, if they're late on their payments, the borrower, or if there is a lapse on insurance, if there's a lapse on taxes, if they need a loan modification, they're the ones keeping track of these things and doing that communication and communicating with you to help you know the status of the loan. So it's not something that you have to be on top of, every day of the month and verifying with the borrower. You're trusting the loan servicing company to do their job, and then they're going to notify you if there's any hiccups that need to be worked through. But it's a great way to keep that work off of your plate. And so that's where we call it the mailbox money, is because they're doing all the work to service the loan and to make sure that it's in compliance. So that's it in a nutshell, what loan servicing companies do. If you have any more questions, I would love to hear from you. Also, if you want to reach out and just learn more about mortgage notes in general and want to see if it's a great way to diversify your investing strategy, reach out and give me a call. We would love to hear from you and sit down and give you more information. So thanks so much. Have a great day.